Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I make dinner for Madam. This noodles and sausage. It's a light dinner. Let's see if Madam knows how to eat with chopstick. Hello, Madam. Yung dinner na.
Dinner.
You know how to eat with chopstick?
Quite. But I don't know if it is right.
Sige nga, try nga.
Okay. Tell me if it is wrong.
I don't know also. Basta you you should able to pick the food and eat.
It should be turning like, like how you use the spoon like this. Should be like this.
Ay, ikaw na bahala.
So like this only, like what the Japanese is doing. How?
No, you have to like this. Do not hold. Do not hold like this. It should be down. Chopstick should be on your.
Wait. I'll follow that one. Like this, okay. Like this.
Yeah, and then this top part should yung parang tong.
Okay. So this one should move.
Yeah, on the top.
Ito?
You hold this one how you hold the pen.
Oh, like this.
Sige nga ho. Sige nga, try.
You said how I hold the pen. Hold like this. Then how? Can I hold like where I'm comfortable? Like this.
But that is like shoving, no? Shoving in the mouth direct.
Like this?
Yeah. See, for my technique is like this. This base one will be. I will hold the camera. So, diba yung chopstick? So this base will be here and rest here, or rest here, here. Nope. So this one should not move. Only the on the top should move. So next one, I will hold this one here, same like I hold pen.
Okay.
Then make sure it's equal. Make sure this one is level equal. Like this should be level. Otherwise, if this one will be long or short, cannot hold. So it should be, the tip should be properly. This is there are maybe lot of different style of holding, but this is how I feel comfortable. So
That's what I'm doing a while ago.
No, you hold like this, both together. Then you do like this. Ano to? Parang what is pala?
Shoving.
Sige nga.
Okay. Like this, huh? It should be pantay. It should be level.
Yeah, this should
be level.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sige nga, try nga.
Like this.
Sige nga.
Post. Okay. Like this. It should be continue.
Marunong ha.
And then, what about the hot dog? How you hold the hot dog?
Tusok mo na.
Like this?
No, you can hold with the hot dog with the chopstick.
Like this.
Yeah, I teach Madam how to hold the chopstick. How to use the chopstick. I think she knows now how to use it, but need to practice always. Okay? So signing out. Bye bye.